Hey everybody, I wanted to just drop in here and show you how to make an accordion, and I will be adding this to the WP Designs custom cadence design library, so you can look for it there. Okay, I'm going to start with a row layout. Always start with a row layout. This time I'm going to do two columns. In one column, I'm going to add an accordion block. Get me out of the way. And I'm going to use the Kadence Blocks accordion. Now I have all of these options that I can start with. And I think I'm just going to choose one because I'm probably going to change it out anyway. So I choose the top one. And you can see here that you have a title for your accordion. And if you look over in the general section in the menu, Um, panes close, one another opens. I like that idea. So then you don't have a bunch of, the panes all open at once. And start with all panes collapsed. I like that idea as well because it saves space. It looks nice and neat. The pane title trigger icon. So you can either have a plus or a minus, and that's going to open and close the panes. And I think the plus and the minus are good to use because it's sort of a universal signal for people so they'll know what to do. And that's what icons are for. You can change them. This is a good one as well because that tells if it's opened or closed. So I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, so you'll see it keeps throwing me back into each separate pane. I want to be in the parent block settings so I can have, the overall accordion block. So I'm going to add a title, and I'm going to make my accordion. It's made for an FAQ section. So I'm going to have question 1 will be here. And then when it's opened, I'm just going to add a paragraph in there, and I'm going to say this is the answer to question 1. Oops. Okay, so that's what you'll do. You put your questions in here and add answers. So then I'm going to copy this and paste it here and make that question 2. And then copy this and paste it in there. Question 2. And let's see if I can just duplicate. Save me some time. Yep. And this is question 3. Oops. 3. And this is question 3. Okay, so I think I'm going to add a block before these. And I'm going to make that a heading, which I use the advanced text. And I'm going to just call this the FAQ section. And I'll put a little and you can put anything here. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to put in a form. I'm going to use an advanced form. Select just this is no freebie form example. No, I'm going to create a new one. And I'm just going to make it a simple contact form. I'm going to use the basic one. And I'm going to have this so that people can fill it out to if they can't find the answer to their question, they can fill this out and send you a question that you could answer. So FAQ form. Okay, create. Okay, and then I think I'm going to add just before this. Can't find your answer. Ask with this form. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. We've got 3 questions. Okay, and then a form so that they can ask questions. I'm going to put this, I'm going to line that in the middle so it kind of goes with the whole thing. Okay, and then I think I'm going to put, let me grab this whole section, this whole row layout section. And I'm going to, let's see if we can add a background color. I'm just trying to tie the whole thing together. That's probably too dark. Try my gold. Nope. I'm going to use this light blue so you can read everything. And then I'm going to style these. So if we go over to the parent block settings, we can go to style. Now the page title colors can be all different colors. Okay, the title color here is saying it's black for normal, which would be this one. This one is active. So if we look on active, you can see the color is white and the background is this dark color. I'm going to select my blue in there. And then I think for these, let's see, the normal color, I think I'm going to make it my gold. These are my branding colors. And then we have a hover color as well. And make that this lighter blue maybe. Let's see how that looks. Nope, I don't like it because it's the same as the background. So I have to keep going back to that parent one. The hover color, I think I'm going to make it dark gray. Okay, this is pretty good. I think I want to, on the hover color, I want to make my text white. Okay, so then it shows up better. And so that's pretty cool right there. I don't like this background being blue. I want the backgrounds to be white. So let's see, the pane, inner content styling, make the background white. Yes. Okay, that looks better. Okay, let's save this and we'll take a look and see how it looks on our site. It's okay. I think I want these to have a border. So let's edit them. Okay, taking some time here. All right, let's go back on here. We're going to go to the parent block, settings and style, paying title border. Make it 2 pixels. And I think I'm going to make them in the navy blue. I like this a little better. It makes it show up. So let's take a look here. We save draft, view the preview. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. And you can see how easy it is to change this. So if you decide to get this form the way it's built out of the box in the custom Kadence design library, then you can see how you can easily change the colors. So I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to drop it into the design library, and I'm going to leave a link to that library if you don't already have it with this video. Okay, well, thanks for joining me.